If you want to create a second YouTube channel without using a new email, this video will show you the easiest way to do it. First, make sure you're signed in to the YouTube account you want to use. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Switch Account. Next, click on View All Channels. Then select Create a Channel. Now enter the name for your new YouTube channel. After that, choose your channel handle, which is your username. Then click Create Channel. You'll be redirected to your new channel. Alternatively, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio. Once YouTube Studio opens, click Settings from the left menu. In the Settings window, select Channel, then go to Advanced Settings. Scroll down and click Manage YouTube Account. This will open your Google account page. Next, click Add or Manage your channels. Then select Create a Channel. Note that YouTube may ask you to verify if this is your third channel. Click Verify. Next, choose one of the verification methods to proceed further. That's it. You've successfully created a second YouTube channel using the same email. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found a real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.